it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Liv and I make everyday classic recipes vegan with a twist. So today I have 3 baking recipes for you because you guys loved the last video I did with all baking recipes. So these ones are all vegan, they're 100% plant-based, so they don't use any eggs or dairy, and these 3 are all just very simple but so good you would never know they're vegan. All of the full recipes, so like measurements and instructions, directions, all of that are linked just below the video in the description box. So if you have any questions, you can reference those blog posts, but that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into it. Okay, the first recipe we're making are these Death by Chocolate muffins. These are double chocolate, so good. So you're gonna combine your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a little pinch of salt, and then just whisk that all together. Next, we are combining non-dairy milk. I like to use oat milk, sugar, a little bit of oil or melted vegan butter, and some vanilla extract, and then just mix that together. And then you want to add the wet to the dry ingredients and just make sure you get all the sugar because sometimes it can sink to the bottom. And then just mix that until it is almost combined. Some lumps are okay, you don't want to over mix it. So you can see just how much I mix it here. And I like to do a combination of stirring and folding. Again, just so you don't over mix it, you just want to make sure you get all the dry ingredients in. So you can see there's still some lumps, but when I mix in the chocolate chips, that will help mix the lumps as well. So again, you can just see kind of how I do it here. I like to fold them in and just not stir like super fast or super hard or anything like that. And yeah, so it'll be a little lumpy, but that's totally fine. And then divide it between your 12 muffin cups. You can use muffin liners or muffin papers, but I just sprayed them with a little bit of oil, and then just bake them until they are done. You can insert a toothpick in the center, make sure it comes out clean, or just with a couple crumbs. They should look like this, and that's it. They are so easy, and this is one of my favorite recipes. Okay, this 5-minute coffee cake in a mug is so easy and so fun. So you're gonna melt your vegan butter and then just set aside a teaspoon of that. And then to the butter, you can add your sugar, some non-dairy milk, and vanilla extract. And then just mix that until it's combined. And then in a little bowl, you wanna combine your flour, baking powder, and just a tiny little pinch of salt. And then mix that together, and then you can add again your wet to your dry and mix until it's combined. It will be pretty thick, and that's totally fine. And then the last thing is just to mix together some cinnamon sugar. If you already have cinnamon sugar, I used to just like make a big batch of it and have it, then you don't need to do this, but just stir together your sugar and your cinnamon. And then you want to put half of the batter into your mug and just kind of smooth it out. And then you're gonna do your layer of cinnamon sugar in between. This is how coffee cake is made, so you definitely don't want to skip this step. It's like the best part. And then do the other half of the batter on top of that and just gently smooth it out. And then you're gonna do the other half of the cinnamon sugar on top of that to get that really nice like crackly topping, and then just drizzle that vegan butter that we set aside at the start on top of that, and that's just gonna help it be that like super yummy, buttery, crispy topping. It is so good, and it honestly turns out so well for being made in a microwave. So then just cook it. All the instructions are below as usual, and it's so good. Vanilla creams were always one of my favorite chocolates, so I'm so glad that I found a way to make them vegan. So you need some sweetened condensed coconut milk, non-dairy sweetened condensed milk. I bought this, but you can also make your own. I will link my recipe for that below. Then you just want to combine that with some softened vegan butter and some vanilla extract and just mix that all together. And then you want to add in your powdered sugar and just mix that until it's combined. It will become kind of almost like a buttercream consistency, like a super thick frosting. So it's definitely easier to do this with a mixer, obviously, but you can also do it by hand. And then you just want to take small amounts of it and roll it into a ball, and then flatten them into your little vanilla cream patties on a parchment lined baking tray and freeze them until they're solid. In the meantime, you can melt together your chocolate. All the instructions for how to do this are below, and then you just want to use a fork to dip it in and then tap off the extra chocolate. So I just kind of like let mine sit and then like tap to make sure all the chocolate gets off, and then just put it back on your parchment lined tray, and the chocolate will start to harden kind of right away, you can see, but then you just want to obviously refrigerate or freeze them so that the chocolate is totally solid. It's such a fun thing to make in an afternoon, and I highly recommend trying these. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try out any of these recipes, let me know how you liked it in a comment, or you can leave a review on my blog. Like I said, all the recipes are linked below. That is everything for me today. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!